Recent trade, SL edition, loaded. Plush heated leather interior, sunroof, adaptive cruise control with collision warning, navigation, backup camera, power liftgate, heated steering wheel, and much more. All vehicle purchases comes with 2 free oil changes and 2 free tire rotation at this location, 1-year expiration. Inquire for more details. With any questions and to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an auto check history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include GA tag, title, $56.95 electronic tag registration fee, GEA residents only, or $499 dealer documentation fee. Must print out to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. All vehicle specifications, prices and equipment are subject to change without notice. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Buyer's responsibility to verify all listed equipment is currently present and operational. Please visit our home website to view an auto check history report and Carfax.